Hey everyone, how's it going? I hope all is well with you. Today I've got a great tip for you related to saving money. Here's what you'll need. First, grab any toothpaste you have on hand. I'll be using this one, but any kind will work. Take a medium spoon and put a small amount of toothpaste on it. Now, what you'll need next is olive oil. Again, it can be any olive oil, and if you don't have olive oil, coconut oil works just as well. Take 1 spoonful of olive oil and mix it well with the toothpaste to break it down. If you like homemade tips like this, let me know in the comments. I'll keep sharing useful home remedies and lots of plant care tips too. Now, the next ingredient you'll need is regular table salt. Add 3 teaspoons of salt to the mixture and stir it thoroughly until it reaches a smooth consistency. Also, let me know in the comments where you're watching from so I can send you a special shout out. This tip is fantastic and has worked wonders for me. Since I started using it, I've noticed amazing results, and I wanted to share it with you. It might seem a bit unusual at first, but trust me. Here's what you do with the mixture. Take a small amount and apply it directly to your nails. Don't worry, this is perfectly safe. Apply it generously and leave it on for about 10 minutes. Don't forget to cover all your nails. Salt is a natural fungicide, bactericide, and whitening agent, so this recipe will help eliminate any fungus on your hands while also brightening your nails. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, then wash your hands as usual. Repeat this process for 30 days for the best results. The olive oil will also keep your cuticles moisturized, leaving them soft and hydrated. Now for the second tip. You'll need toothpaste again, a small amount, just like before. You'll also need olive oil or coconut oil, whichever you prefer, about a spoonful. Then add 3 small spoons of salt. For those who haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future tips. Now add a moisturizing cream of your choice. I'm using hand cream here. Mix everything thoroughly. If you don't have olive oil, coconut oil works great too, though olive oil tends to hydrate better and is often more affordable. The beauty of this tip is that it's effective without costing much. The mixture will have a nice creamy texture. Where can you use this second tip? Well, if your feet tend to get dry like mine, this is perfect. Apply the mixture to your feet, focusing on dry areas. It will not only moisturize but also exfoliate your skin, leaving your feet soft and smooth. This helps prevent cracks, especially around the heel area. You should use this mixture for 30 days as well to see noticeable results. Leave it on for about 10 minutes, then wash your feet as usual. You'll notice a big difference after a month. That's it for today. I hope you found these 2 tips helpful. With just a few ingredients, you can achieve great results for both your nails and your feet. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget, consistency is key. Use these tips for at least 30 days. Take care and see you next time. Bye.